we're going to try to do. I want you to go right through the optic nerve, and I'll show you this on screen, and then cut the eye in half. You're probably going to make your initial cut with the point of a scalpel, and the eye may squirt a little. Okay? So be careful and keep your face away from the work. If anything happens, tell me and we'll get you cleaned up. Yes, sir?
Should we remove like the eyelids and eyelash skin and all that?
You know what? If you want to do that, you can do that. I have asked students to do that in the past, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut right through. Okay? So I'm going to leave it in place. You may clean up the eye. Okay? All right, folks. So if you take a look, there is the cornea. There is the cornea. And it looks black, but when we get this eye cut in half, it's going to be clear. There is one of the conjunctiva. There is a palpebra. Now I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to find the optic nerve, which is right here. A little stump. I'm going to take the scalpel. I'm going to make sure that the eye is in the tray. I'm not going to hold it in my hand so that if a scalpel slips, it'll go into my hand. I am going to cut right through the optic nerve, and then I'm going to just press until I pass through the sclera, and then start coming around. The sclera is tough. It will resist cutting.
Is that the white of the eye?
The sclera is the white of the eye. I then am going to switch to scissors. Scissors are actually a bit safer and a little easier to cut this eye in half. And I'm going to make my way around, and I'm going to end up with 2 equal sides, if at all possible. Now, a lot of the tissue that Robert was talking about cutting off was making a good suggestion because it kind of gets in the way of the dissection. You can see there's a lot of fluid in the tray. It's normal to have fluid in the eye, and it helps to keep the eye nice and round.
It's not always black though, right? Like is that just because of the dissection?
No, it's dark inside the eye to absorb light. Okay, remember we talked about the choroid and the retina having a layer that had a lot of melanin in it.
Oh, yeah.
Melanin is a dark colored pigment.
So that's what that is?
That's what you're seeing, as well as you're seeing the photopigment rhodopsin. Now, unfortunately, our camera up here really doesn't work all that well, but you can at least see the optic nerve. Let me use this pointer. The optic nerve. The white portion here that's very thick around the back is the sclera. It is in white. There is a thin dark line between right interior or deep to the sclera. That is the choroid. A thin black line. Understanding that the choroid is a cup-shaped device. Okay?
Can you point out again?
Yeah. Optic nerve, the sclera. In black, the choroid. The next deepest layer, we see a slight thin yellow layer. This is the retina. I'm going to walk around and help any way that I can, and then we'll do some more anatomy. Yes? Okay.
Can I get one with the lashes?
You can dig through the bag, yeah. Get yourself one.
Did you want us to cut sagittally or?
Sagittal section. Cut this eye in half, equal size. Yeah, let's see. No, I think it'll be okay. Go ahead.
Good.
Yep. Good.
I'm not sure.
Great.
This is so cool.
All right. I'll turn it. You can do it on the other side.
Oh, this is so cool.
Okay, and then we'll switch to scissors.
Use it for your own.
follow.
Set this on top of the counter. So let me show you what I'm doing for you today.
You show me.
I see all lashes, but
Sure.
I
Absolutely.
all the way back here.
Okay.
Oh, that's easier.
We're all gonna end up in the same place, Amalia, but, no, that's great. Okay, all right, so put it in a tray like this, find that optic nerve, and then just cut the eyeball in half through the optic nerve.
I tried this guy.
Okay,
He's got the
how'd you do?
volume set.
You okay? Yes, you did. Surgery for you.